Check it. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna say how you feeling out here. I want everybody to scream real loud. We're gonna bring this place down. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Are you feeling irate? Yeah. Are you feeling irate? Yeah. Are you feeling irate? Yeah. Are you feeling irate? Yeah.
From Hawaii, Ho'ai Kane.
Down to Busy Street, yeah, yeah. You know what I do right. We're gonna first please. Down to Busy Street, yeah, yeah. You know what I do right. We're gonna first please. Across the country, man, I mind you go tears. Man, you know, man, treat your happy policeman good. Say they come out with some irate. Down to Busy Street, yeah, yeah. We know what I do, Lord have mercy. Ragamuffin King. Down to Busy Street, yeah, yeah. We know what I do, Ragamuffin King. So good figure of mine, you go tears. Man, gonna hear the woman can I. Treating a happy policeman good. Say they come out with some reggae. Down to Busy Street, yeah, yeah. You know what I do tonight. Ragamuffin King. Down to Busy Street, yeah, yeah. You know what I do tonight. Check this out. Check this out now. Check this. Listen. Ring, ding, 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 ding. Bombs came and said that this a Pupacane with a different something. Ring, ding, 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 ding. Bombs came. Said this a whole icon with a different something. Put a big boom, put a big rubber stop his gang, can't go on me, I'll be chopping them honey, and me coming on me on the dot. Let me dropping them honey, mom. We should be the drop a hit. To get tight, them off, it fit, them off, it fit, On the king and on the MC, the king of DJ. At Christmas time, we say we off to hear what me say. Me look at it on it, now me off it, now me pretty. We say drop on him, and me off it. Check this. Me I go wine, me body, me stop it, pump it, money, man, me off it, now me sexy. Chop, in on it, now me off it, now me bring it back. So look at it on it, now me off it, do it like that. Stop me, bring it, take it, up, and now me bring it, strip back, careful, live so make a bliss, I'll take a sip from the drip. Chop, and get out of the body, building, simple, up, this is it, get. Inhale that music, and get wicked, flow. Moving under the bed like up, now I'm on a rope. Flowing, and change yellow like slow, smooth, fun. Gotta keep a hunger, just taking some sweet, so easy, that can boost it, this is it, got me. One jam on the microphone stand. This is me, let's play on top of the drop. We chop, we go chop with the hook, I got the box. The hook was on the east and Jefferson. Hey, I said me know me not your big but me it's a wire. We love me the reggae music, like me love that woman. The woman in the mountain, woman in the old shop. More power from the one, none of us takes.
I love you, to the end of time, yeah. I need you, won't you please be mine, like as I said to you. I love you, to the end of time, yeah. I need you, oh la la la, won't you please be mine, at the time is just a mine on it, I go move it, let me move it, when you move it away. Someone in me, don't be pump, me rhyme, so look at it, I'm off it, don't be caught in time, pump, see that's a baby, pray for the one again, so look at it, I'm off it, I'm in my strings, drop, and I'm off it, I'm the king, so look at something, what you know me, going in, Lord have mercy, simply pump it, if it don't stay set. Won't you please be mine?
We'll be back with more from Ho'ai Kane, the Brothers Casimiro, and all of our musical friends.
My husband's reaction was great. He says, "Not today. I have a 1 o'clock tennis game." Oh, and was he in complete control? He was more nervous than I was. Luckily, we chose a good doctor. The one my girlfriend recommended. With HMSA, we had that choice. My husband is still in cloud 9.
As Schumann Carriage celebrates its 100th anniversary, 90-year-old Zena Schumann recalls its founder, Gustav Schumann.
I saw this man looking at catty corner at a building. He said, if Mina Mutter could only see the name of her son on that building.
Zena's husband, Scotty, shepherded his father's company through the war. Their son, Dutch, now steers the company. Today, the Schumann Carriage family represents Subaru, Cadillac, and Buick.
They're two of the best cars manufactured in the United States, and we've been very happy, so there's really never been a question.
In 1955, Schumann Carriage brought top-quality Napa products to Hawaii.
We've been very, very happy with its growth over a number of years.
What he would like to be remembered as, I don't know, starting Schumann Carriage, I guess.
Today, Schumann Carriage celebrates 100 years.
We intend to stay for another 100 now. I may not be around, but I think the company will be.